Welcome back to MotoMarket Explorer, your daily dive into America's hottest vintage motorcycles for sale. Let's check out what the market has in store today. One 1980 Harley-Davidson FLH Electric Glide, on sale for $12,000 in Duncan, South Carolina. This week begins with a true American touring legend, the 1980 Harley-Davidson FLH Electric Glide. Showing just over 31,000 miles, this black beauty captures everything riders love about old-school Harley engineering: big displacement, highway comfort, and unmistakable style. The seller reports a rebuilt carburetor, a new battery installed a year ago, and an original radio caddy that comes with the bike, an excellent period-correct touch for collectors. Though the bike hasn't been registered since 1999, the seller rode it roughly 100 miles a few months back, and everything performed well mechanically. They've owned it for 8 years but never truly rode it, making this electric glide a dormant classic waiting to be revived. With the right mechanical refresher, fluids, hoses, and full system checks, this machine could be a reliable vintage tourer or a stunning restoration piece. Two 1981 Yamaha Seca 750 Cafe Racer, $5,600, Collierville, Tennessee. Next up is a meticulously upgraded Cafe Racer, built from a low-mileage 1981 Yamaha Seca 750. With under 8,000 original miles before the build, the bike was taken completely down to the frame, powder-coated, and rebuilt with performance-focused cafe modifications. The wheels and swing arm received matching powder coat treatment, while the engine, originally in excellent condition, was freshened with new paint and a 4-into-1 header. The power delivery is significantly enhanced thanks to a set of Kaiken CR carbs, giving the Seca a sharper throttle response and a more aggressive sound. Every system on this motorcycle was either restored or replaced: electrical, suspension, controls, and cosmetics. It's essentially a fully modernized classic, ideal for someone who loves vintage aesthetics but wants a bike that feels newly built. Three 1965 BSA A50 Cyclone, $2,600, St. Louis, Missouri. Here's a rare British gem, the 1965 BSA A50 Cyclone. This dual-carb 500cc twin is an uncommon model with folding pegs, a full-gauge cluster, and a distinct early 60s performance profile. According to the seller, it runs and rides with a clean title, already a major plus for a machine of this age. It still needs a side cover and general freshening, but the bones are exceptional. Collectors know the Cyclone is one of those mid-60s BSA models that rarely surfaces in rideable condition at this price. For restoration enthusiasts or British bike fans, this is a golden opportunity to bring back a historically significant machine. Four 1982 Suzuki GS850GL, $2,300, Foxworth, Mississippi. Suzuki's GS line is known for bulletproof reliability, and this 1982 GS850GL is no exception. With 17,000 original miles, it reportedly runs great and needs only minor TLC to shine again. Whether it becomes a touring cruiser, a cafe conversion, or a period-correct restoration, the GS850's smooth 4-cylinder engine makes it a friendly platform for new and veteran riders alike. At $2,300 or best offer, this is one of the most budget-friendly classics on today's list. 5. 1971 Triumph TR6R, $4,975, Austin, Texas. A classic British single-carb thunderer, this 1971 Triumph TR6R has been transformed into a vintage cafe racer with fresh components throughout. The seller recently installed new tires, ignition, battery, shocks, carburetor, and an oversized fuel tank built for longer distance runs, possibly even salt-flat experimentation. It's priced aggressively for a fast sale, offering a blend of period charm and modern usability. With its signature Triumph lines and lightweight feel, this TR6R is ready for weekend rides, show events, or continued customization. Six, 1978 Honda CX500, $3,500, Charlotte, North Carolina. The Honda CX500 has earned cult status for its reliability and unique longitudinal V-twin. This 1978 example underwent a full rebuild and now shows under 500 miles on the fresh setup. The bike received professional service in June 2025, including full fluid changes, carb cleaning, and a new battery, with documentation included. With its clean title and dependable engineering, this CX500 is ideal for daily riding or light touring. A well-sorted machine with a long life ahead. Seven, 1973 BMW R65, $5,200, Birdseye, Indiana. This classic BMW R65 is a preservationist's dream. 21,000 original miles, consistent maintenance, and a collection of original tools, manuals, and components. It includes highly desirable Aldo saddlebags, progressive suspension front and rear for two-up riding, and a comfortable Corbin seat. Recent maintenance includes new tires, tubes, battery, and full mechanical adjustments. Everything reportedly works, making this one of the most complete vintage BMW listings on the market this week. Eight, 1981 Kawasaki KZ750 Ltd, $4,000, Alabaster, Alabama. This KZ750 Ltd arrives in near-new condition with extensive mechanical upgrades. The engine received a full top-end rebuild, including honed cylinders, new rings, gaskets, and valve shimming. Additional updates include new Delcovic 4-in-1 exhaust, fully rebuilt carburetors, ultrasonic cleaned, rebuilt brake calipers, and new brake lines, new fork seals, new mirrors, new tires, and a gold chain. With all major systems renewed, this LTD is a ready-to-ride vintage performance bike with modern reliability. 9. 1973 Norton 850 Commando Roadster, $7,500, Jacksonville, Florida. Few motorcycles carry the prestige of the Norton Commando, and this 1973 Roadster has been thoughtfully upgraded for long-distance performance. Originally restored 15 years ago, it includes a BMW touring fairing, reinforced rear frame loop, mag wheels, rear disc brake, air-assisted forks, Boyer electronic ignition, Podtronics regulator, oil cooler, and a ceramic-coated 2-in-1 Alphabet exhaust. The original custom-painted gas tank is being kept by the family of the former owner, but the bike itself remains a strong-running, well-sorted machine with decades of life left. (10) 1966 Honda C200, $1,600, Cape Girardeau, Missouri. Closing the list is a charming 90cc Honda C200 with a freshly rebuilt engine. Known for reliability, smooth operation, and classic Honda styling, the C200 is a lightweight collectible that's becoming harder to find in this condition. The rebuild was performed by a respected builder using genuine Honda parts, and the bike reportedly runs smooth as butter. At just $1,600, it's an affordable entry into vintage ownership or a perfect addition to a classic Honda collection. Thanks for watching MotoMarket Explorer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for next week's hunt for America's best vintage motorcycle finds. Until then, ride safe and stay classic.